There's the carousel. Maybe we'll get a video of that later. You know, we came on a real good day. It's not so busy. I mean, we got room to walk. It's once you get into the lands, it's a little more crowded because each land is its own little area. I guess they fill up a little quicker. This makes sense. Well, we're heading towards Harry Potter. I gotta get me something to drink here. There's a wand up there and a hand. Okay, so now we're going into Harry Potter world. You wanna take a picture in front of here, babe? Alright. Whoa, look at that map. Once again, you're immersed. Whoa. Holy cow. So this is like France. I didn't watch the new Harry Potter ones. Wow. Right. Man, they built this whole town? Crazy. Oh wow. This place is huge. It's the candy store. Where we're going. This Harry Potter land is actually bigger than the other Harry Potter lands. And here. No, it's not like the other one, but it's really cool.
Oh, that's the drink. I should have the other side of
This place is huge. This is like a bakery or something. Yeah. Oh, look at the little breads. They look like animals.
Circus, right?
Like Williams. What's over there? Did we come in that way? Oh, look at that eagle. Did you see that when we came in?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Whoa, probably scary. Let's go on the scary part. Why do they put the scary stuff right next to the candy store?
Balance.
gosh, the houses are tilted. I don't know if y'all can tell.
It's fine. Oh, there's probably.
It's supposed to be the dark arts section. I know there's a ride around here. Where it is, I don't know. Because I've never been to this epic universe. These are the haunted restrooms.
Right. There's one right there.
Huh. 135 minutes? My.
You're messing with me, right? No, I'm not. I promise
I'll just follow you around, man.
Well, I think we should.
Wow, giant eagle. It's cool. What's wrong with Disney? Why can't they do this? Oh, there's a cafe. It's like all the areas seem to have a nice restaurant in them, you know?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look, the little people underneath. Notice that. Alright, so that was a little walk through Harry Potter. Maybe we'll go there later. Once the line goes down, 135 minutes. There's a lot of walking room in this park though, I must say. It's pretty cool. I do enjoy that we're not like super crowded in here, you know? Okay.
Look at that. Look.
Oh, wow, okay. That's Stardust Racers. Not open today. It's haunted, from what I hear. Well, guys, we're gonna take a little sit-down break. I wanted to ride Stardust Racers, but it's closed today. It's a nice, quiet day to park. I mean, it's still, the lines are pretty long for the rides, though.
But you know what? Also, you gotta keep in mind. At
Extra video here.
this point, I'd be happy to see a show.
Mm-hmm. Wow. I'll say it's a really, really pretty park. Okay, so this is, I believe it's a How to Train Your Dragon Land. I've never seen that movie, but it must be popular. But if they put a whole land dedicated to raising and training dragons. Ooh. Another cool portal.